morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. It's kind of dark here. Let me put you guys here. My kitchen is a mess. Ignore the mess in the back. I'm currently leaving my house, or I'm trying to leave. We have a lot of things to do, so I decided to start the vlog now. But good morning. Today is Wednesday. Today's actually my sister's birthday, so we have to do a lot of things. I'm gonna go, and it's Sagittarius season, so I put on my necklace and it says Sagittarius. My sister and I are both Sagittarius. She was born December 1st. I was born December 4th. We always share our birthdays. Just this weekend, I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit, but just this weekend we went over to my mom's. My dad gave us flowers and they sang happy birthday to us. My mom made us food and we shared our cake. And it's funny because I turned 30. My sister turned 36. She's obviously 6 years, no, she turned 36 today. Yeah, she's 6 years older than me. So for 30 years I've shared my cake with my sister. I'm gonna insert pictures here. I went through some old pictures the other day and I found pictures of our cake. My mom used to make our cake. This is like super random, but my mom used to make our cake all the time growing up, and we always had like a Christmas theme. I feel like my mom always, because it's in December, she would just stick to Christmas. Once we had like a bunny theme, but the cakes that I found, they are from Christmas, so I'm gonna insert the pictures here. But yeah, my dad gave us these flowers. I wanted to show you guys before I leave. Let me turn on the light. Let me lower the TV. The light here is super yellow. I want to change the lights so I look yellow. I'm not even gonna change it. I'm gonna show you guys. My sister ended up getting me number 30 for my birthday. This was on Sunday that we went to my mom's house, so it's number 30, and that big balloon. And there was also purple ones that deflated already. My brother made my sister and I Target baskets, but these baskets full of things. I already ate most of the snacks. He put gum, he put a scarf in here. I took the scarf out already and I have it ready to wash. And then he gave me these for the kitchen, which are cute. Gum, water, these products that he knows I like for my curly hair, Tylenol. And then my sister's best friend gave me this. She's obsessed with watermelon, and I always send her anything watermelon, and she bought me this for my birthday. It smells so good. It literally, I know it's not focused, it's literally like you're eating, or it smells like a watermelon paleta. I don't know if I said that right, but yeah, this was full all the way to the top. I ate all the snacks. So my brother gave us this. He made one for me and one for my sister. My God bought me these the other day randomly. What else? My mom focused. Okay, let's focus. I have to put on my contacts and I have to put on my shoes, but my mom gave me a sweater that I have ready to wash as well. It's really nice. It's blue. I'll probably wear it this weekend. And then what else did I get? Oh, my sister gave me a Sephora gift card. Oh, in the basket my brother included gift cards as well. But I lost my gift card yesterday. It was for Target and I lost it. I don't know how, but when I went to pay, I didn't have it anymore. I don't know if it's somewhere in the car or when I got off, I lost it, but there was gift cards in there too. So I have to look for that. But then my sister gave me a Sephora gift card and she gave me a set of sweats, like the matching top and bottom. And then what else did I get? That's it. My mom's friend made her cake. And then, like I said, my dad bought us these flowers, which are very pretty. These are artificial. These are fake. But these are very, very pretty. And then there was another set in here, like the roses. These were from Miguel. So I just bunched them up together. But that's that. Happy Wednesday. We're gonna get the day started. We're gonna head out to downtown, pick up everything that I have to do, come back, do all the orders for our online store, and then I have to go open a P.O. box. I have to go get my sister a gift. So today I have to go return stuff to Ulta. Good thing we're making this video. I have to go return things to Ulta, so let me get my Ulta foundation. I'm gonna return these things, which I got the Smashbox foundation. They had it on sale about a week and a half ago, so I got the wrong shade because I ordered this online, and I just le tanteé, honestly. I was just like randomly, and then you could change it and get the same price. But honestly, the ColourPop one that I got was good, and yesterday at Target I got the Fit Me foundation. That's what I'm wearing right now, so I'm okay with those. I'm just gonna return this and then end up getting my sister something there, since they have a lot of stores. Okay, we are on our way to Starbucks. I'm gonna go to the one, let me make sure I have my gift card. I'm gonna go to the one that doesn't have a drive-through. I really like that one. Guys, I had this thing to put the camera here, and I think Miguel threw it away. I can't find it, but I'm gonna look for Velcro so I can connect you guys, because you guys fall all the time. Ta-da! I added the funds. We are done. Okay, let's head out and get some coffee, possibly something to eat, since we're gonna start driving. Okay, so we just did the supply run, as you guys can see back there. People are looking at me, which is kind of awkward, but I'm gonna go to the post office now and get all my stuff so we can head home. So I'll see you guys at the post office. Okay, so I just made it back home. I ended up going to Sephora. I still have the coffee from earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and add some ice so I can finish this, because I got a salad so I can eat that right now. And then I got veggies from Sprouts. They don't come like this, the girl threw them in here. I got 2 bell peppers, a zucchini, and Brussels sprouts, because I'm gonna make salmon for the guys. Since they're gonna come right now, I got salmon. These, I like how they package them. These are the lemon citrus salmon from, is it salmon or salmon? I don't know. From Sprouts. If you haven't tried it, so good. They have a lot of stuff that's already seasoned. I usually like to either season it here or try the stuff, and this is one that I like. It's really good. So we're gonna eat this. Let me put the salmon in the refrigerator. After that, I went to Sephora because my sister gave me a gift card for my birthday, so I went to go use it. But I have a story from Sephora, okay? Let me put this over here. Okay, so let me show you guys what I got. I got my birthday gift, which is this NARS Laguna lipstick. I don't know if the lipstick's called Laguna. It's a bronzer, which is in the shade Laguna. Yeah. And then an Afterglow lip balm, which I don't know what shade this is in, but I got this as a birthday gift. So I ended up getting the Ole Henderson, I don't know, mask. This is the one that turns blue, and it's a pore mask, and that's what I was looking for. But let me tell you guys the story. Oh, and then the girl gave me a sample of the scrub from this line. She said it was really good. And she was giving me some tips, but she's like, try it out and come back for it because it's so good. This alone was $41. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday and we're out to go get groceries this morning. It's 10 a.m. Is it bright enough? It's 10 a.m. I just got ready very quick. I have to go get groceries. It's kind of cold today. That's what I wanted to check. I wanted to check the weather. Let's go ahead and head out to the grocery store. Okay, so I ended up making it home. I put all the groceries away. I made myself a really fast avocado toast, some coffee. I'm gonna edit the Thanksgiving vlog now. I'm gonna have that up tomorrow, so by the time you guys are watching this video, my Thanksgiving vlog is up and ready on my channel. I'm gonna edit half of it. I'm gonna eat while I edit this, work on half of the video, and then transition. I'm gonna give myself 30 minutes to eat and do half of the video, and then in the night I'll finish the other half, because after this I have to work on my online store, so there's a lot of things to do. I like to cut everything on a time, like put everything on a time frame, so like that I'm not stuck doing these things, but I want to focus, eat, and do this so I am productive, because I have a lot of things to do after this. I have to take some paperwork to the post office. We still have to go to Ulta. I might go to the farmer's market in the night, so I want to do that, come back, have this video up by tomorrow. So let me go ahead and eat, and let's edit this video. So I'm in the middle of editing and nobody comes to our house, and somebody just knocked and they left flowers. Tomorrow's my birthday and she left flowers outside for me.